Are you tired of buying meme coins just to end up getting completely wrecked minutes later because the coin dumped? Well, I was too. And that's exactly why I switched to deving meme coins instead. I create the coins, I find the narratives, and that's exactly how I made all this money in my Phantom wallet. Let me show you exactly how to create coins in this video with my strategy. I will show you everything. I do not sell a course. I am not here to sell you anything. I'm just here to show you how to make money from launching. Let's go. Now, meme coins are widely known because a bunch of people got rich from trading, but there's also a bunch of people who got rich from creating coins just like me. All we do is we find narratives, we turn them into meme coins, we launch it, and then we just cash outright for thousands of dollars in profit without risking anything. If no one buys your coin, we are losing nothing, okay? We can just move on to the next coin and you can launch as many coins as you want to build up that portfolio. Maybe you need 5 coins, 10 coins, 20 coins to make your first 10k. You don't know, you just have to stay consistent, and that's exactly why I love creating coins. But trading though, you have to be risking your own money to make more money, right? So that's not really efficient. I don't want to risk anything. I just want to launch, and that's exactly why I love this strategy. I will show you everything in this video for completely free with a live launch. So let's go. By the way, guys, I am not a financial advisor at all. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. Yes, I do make money from deving, but it is all for educational purposes only. Keep that in mind. Cap. Now here's exactly where I launch my meme coins on. I use a launchpad called coinslaunch.io. It's the best free launchpad out here on Solana. When you make your coin here, bro, your coin is going to go directly to Raydium. It's going to migrate immediately. It's going to skip the bonding curve that Pump.Fun requires, and your coins are going to show up right here in front of thousands of people. And if you guys do not know yet, bro, the Raydium Dex is absolutely explosive. Most meme coins gets a bunch of buyers just because of the pure attention on Raydium. A lot of traders prefer to buy meme coins on the migration section because they're more trustworthy, right? But Pump.Fun coins are known to just rug, right? Most of them go nowhere. As you guys can see, no one buys them. It's really, really bad. Okay, no one buys them. Oh, I just bought this coin by accident. Let me just sell real quick for a profit. But anyways, bro, y'all need to start launching coins on Raydium using this launchpad. It's insane. Here's exactly how to make a meme coin on Coins Launch. Now, some people like to create coins from scratch, just like Pump.Fun. If you have any narrative in mind, you can create a coin, right, just like Pump.Fun, like here. Just put a name, simple image, and your coin is live. It's as simple as that, right? Or you can copy coins. Here is where I made all my money. Every single coin that you see here is going viral on Pump.Fun, whether it's right now or before, which means all these coins are all proven to get buyers. They all have insane narratives, okay? They're all outliers on chain. So what we are going to be doing, okay, is copying one of these coins, but instead of launching it on Pump.Fun, we are going to copy it back to Raydium to get a bunch of buyers, and that's exactly how we capitalize by copying coins. Let me show you how to copy a coin right now. Let's see how much I can make right now. So first of all, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected right. Here is where you will be interacting with the blockchain. Make sure you have a Phantom wallet, MetaMask, anything, and click on refresh to have all the fresh coins. And let's now copy a coin. Now, if I assume you guys should be beginners, okay, just copy anything. They're all good. Do not copy the same coin twice, okay? Go for anything, okay? They're all good. I'm gonna go for this one. I chose it randomly. Click on copy the Raydium, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin should be copied shortly. Just wait. Okay, give it a couple seconds. And boom! Now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is where we create the supply. It's really, really easy. It takes a couple seconds. Now for the coins right here, click on 90%. This will drop whatever 90% is, right? Do that for every single launch. For the amount of soul to pair, put anywhere in between zero point 0.3 to 1 soul. Anywhere in between that is perfect. You are not going to lose anything, by the way. Okay, you will get it back later once you cash out. Trust me, it's not lost. Put anywhere in between zero point 0.3 to 1 soul. You will get this back later. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then now the coin should be live. Okay, just wait. Boom, pop up, click on refresh, and as you guys can see, it's live. People are now able to see your coin, buy in on Raydium. Everything is good. Let's go see the chart. I use Photon. You can go on Axiom, Nova, Terminal, any trading platform that you desire, FOMO, anything, and boom, now it's already pumping. Okay, this is a great sign. This is the power of Raydium. It's insane how many people in Raydium are looking to buy coins. It's insanely fucking like mind blowing. So if you come back to coins launch and you click on refresh, you guys can see we're already up 170 bucks within seconds. That is a great sign. That means people love our narrative. And yeah, bro, it's insane. I'm on top of the road. I'm up 200 bucks in profits. Now all you have to do is wait for your coin to pump even higher and then now cash out. So when I come back, I will show you how to cash out. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back and let's cash out to see how much we made. Come back to coins launch, click on refresh, and we're up 2.6k. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100%, remove liquidity, ignore the block real quick, right? Click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out of the coin, bro. Bang! We just cashed out 2.6k in profits. Here is the proof. Boom! 2.6k is in our Phantom wallet. That is 35 Solana. All for educational purposes only. Coinslaunch.io will be linked down below, bro. Just stay consistent, bro. That's all I have to say. And good luck to everyone who is deving.